I going to use these? Hey everybody, my name's Amanda. I'm kind of new here. So what I'm going to do is, well, guys, I have so many samples. I have Urban Decay All Nighter. I have a Bare Minerals Complexion Rescue. I have some Becca. I even have some Shape Tape. How am I going to use these? Well, guys, I got a little Jello shot thingy. I don't know what to call these. That's what I use them for, is for Jello shots. In the summer, we take them with us. Okay, guys, so just so you know what I've used in using up all these little foundation-y samples, because my skin is right in the middle, I'm like, we'll just mix them. But I have a Becca 24-hour coverage thingy. That was a big pain in the butt, and see, it's like a foil pack deal, where you just swipe it. Then I had some Shape Tape concealer. We just mix that together. I had some Urban Decay All Nighter. Yeah. And then there was some Complexion Rescue from Bare Minerals. I just mixed all them together in my little shot glass thing, and this is what I came up with. I have a sponge wet, and we're going to give it a shot. Lord help me. But first, let me use some primer water from Smashbox to prime my face. I think I'm going to switch to a brush. It's an okay mixture, but some of it just doesn't, I don't know how well it's going to play. But the color isn't bad. And well, first impressions are, well, the color is a good match. So we'll put the lid on my little Jello shot glass dealie. You know, if you're in the middle, I'm gonna say it's a good way to use up stuff, but I did it. Let's hope it settles in and works well. It's a little, actually I think it's a good color match for me. And just so you know where I am on the foundation spectrum, I am an Urban Decay Naked Skin 4.5. So, yeah, we'll go with that. So yeah. Now, is this bad makeup science? Maybe. It's a little bit like Sophia Nygaard, bad makeup science. So, yeah. So, anyway, guys, this is it. And if you like what you see here, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below. Alright, we'll see you later. Bye!